Okay, this is Amechi Izugu. I'm talking about market structure in the Forex market. Okay, we established what this red line is. This red line is support. We established that this is resistance. We know their job. Their job is to keep things, everything in between them, at least the majority of things, activity, price activity, going in between them. We will also want to know that once price leaves the resistance, that it checks it and takes off from there, that's time to buy. This is just confirming that it has turned this resistance into a support. Right here, it turned the resistance into a support. It's time to buy. And on the bottom, if it barges out from the bottom part, once it goes out, you know it's time. It's not time to sell now. You might try to start selling, but it hasn't confirmed it. Once it confirms it, hits it back, and boom, it's time to sell. Time to move. Now, all the time, the market is not just going straight across like this. Sometimes it's trending. And that's the most important time that we know. How we know when we get a trend, we draw a line, a trend line, and we get the bottom of at least one, two, three, four, 2, 3, 4 valleys as we're going up. And how do we, that's an uptrend and that's a bullish trend. How do we get a bearish trend? We get the peaks of them as they're going down. Remember, don't get the peak of a bullish trend and don't get the valleys of a bearish trend. You get the valleys of the bullish because of the valleys push it up. It pushes up. You throw a ball on the ground hard and the ball bounces off the ground. That's this blue line here. It bounces off of it to go up. And then when it's coming down, what will make a ball come down? Is the ceiling. When it hits the ceiling, it will start coming down. So you throw the ball up hard on the ceiling and it hits the ceiling and it bounces down. That's this right here. Okay. All right. Now the next video we're going to go into showing how this chart here has different zones. This here is structure. This is structure. We know what happens when structure is breached here. Either this or this. You can screenshot this so that you have a better understanding of what this is. I'll probably get you a better picture later. So keep that in mind. Don't forget the trend. Trend. Two types of trends. There is an uptrend, there is a downtrend. When you're in the uptrend, the easy money is to buy. When you're in the downtrend, the easy money is to sell because of everything. Even if you're going down no matter what, you're going down. So even if you miss it getting out here, it comes back up, it keeps on going down. If you miss it comes back up, it keeps on going down. Whereas if you were buying here and you are trying to go up, once you get to this point, you're never going to get to this point again. You don't know when you'll get to this point again. You don't go upwards, you're going downwards. Okay, so that being said, I'm going to go ahead to show you here. You go from lower low to upper high, then upper low, upper high, then upper low, higher low. Okay, this high is not the higher high. I'm going to use these as structure, just the same way we have them here in the next video. Okay. Actually, I have a moment. I'll use the green as the support. I mean the resistance, and the red as the support. Red meaning once you break this, then you're going to start to buy. Green meaning sell. Green meaning when you break that, it's time to sell. Okay. So, and where I'm placing this on the peak of, I'm placing it on the peaks of everything here, on the peak. Okay, so this is structure. This here, everything you see here is a minor microscopic version of this. Everything you see here is a microscopic version of this. And as you see it moving up, everything you see around here is a microscopic version of this or this. Okay, in the next video, we'll go in and break it down.